Welcome back to K-Tech. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways how you can get free cryptocurrency. But first, let's see how my accounts are doing. Stay tuned. I added another exchange called Binance to my portfolio. This is because it has more coins with higher volume. My accounts have gone up. We're living in the most exciting times in history. Without a doubt, emerging technologies are changing the world as we know it today. But with that comes a lot of landmines. There are many scams and project launches in the crypto world that are nothing more than ways to rip you off. 2 telltale signs is if the developers are boasting about rockets and Lambos, but it's probably just hype. 2 legitimate ways you can get started with your portfolio is Wildspark and Incent. These are both my 2 favorite Google Chrome extensions that reward you for doing simple tasks. INCNT gives you free coins for a certain amount of time every day just for having your browser open and being logged in. Wildspark gives you free coins for sharing content. It also benefits the creator of the content you're sharing. For more information, visit my website, K-Tech.xyz.